well, yeah. So hey guys, it's Allie, and I'm here with Allie Jr. Hi. And today we're opening something up with Barbie. So yeah, it's gonna be really cool. Oh yeah, and this is my new favorite dress. I got it from the Walmart supermarket, and it's like, it has blue roses and stuff, and like black petals and stuff, and I love it. Plus she has blue eyes. Can't really see it, but yeah. So today we're opening what was on sale for $7. It's like really good. Walmart. You can't really see it. Walmart. I got the fridge fun set thing. Hold on, guys. Let me get some better light in a sec. Be there in a sec. So, okay, guys, I'm back, and yeah, now you can see better. So here it is. It does not have the Barbie. Just saying. It doesn't come with the Barbie, but it looks really cool. Yeah, it says dolls not included. So yeah, it includes a refrigerator, a pitcher, milk, and eggs. Barbie doll's size. So yeah, there's a little preview of it. Here's the back. So yeah. I have a few of these sets. I probably have like probably only have, yeah, I only have one of these sets. So yeah, let's open it. Be right back with it opened. So yeah, see you in a sec. Oh, and sorry if you can hear my parents and my brother in the back. So yeah, to open it, I'm about to open it. I can even open it. It's so hard. Well, it is. You know, it's hard. So, yeah, I'm just gonna open it. So, guys, I got it all out. So, yeah, first I want to show you the accessories it comes with. It comes with a little jar of milk, which is really cute, like with the little handle, and I'll let Barbie test it. Also, here's her dress, and it's really cute, well, at least I think it's pretty cute. Let's test it. Well, let me test it on the other hand. Yeah, it fits in her hand pretty good, pretty snugly, I guess, or however you say it. Ah! Oh, hello, guys. Oh, there's her blue eyes. So, yeah. Then she has a pitcher. Well, it has a pitcher. An orange one. I'm ready to test it and hold it. Hold on. And then it has the little thingy. Has a little thingy. Let's test that out. Perfect. Fits in her hand. So yeah, then the eggs. I don't think the eggs fit in her hands. No, they don't. Yeah, they do. So yeah, they have a little shape. They're white and stuff. Look at the eggs. Look at them. Look at them. But yeah. So, they're very cute. They have this little, they're bumpy and stuff. It also has the thing. Also, the milk has the little stud thing on the bottom. So now, to get onto the refrigerator. Also, I'll probably do a Barbie haul later. Also, sorry I haven't been uploading in the past 2 weeks. So yeah. So here's the front of it. It's really cute. So yeah. really cute. So yeah, this part, the freezer part, doesn't open because it's like hollow on the side. Also, this is cardboard in the back. So yeah. Also, it has a little drink holder thing right there. Beep beep. I want crushed ice. Boop. Put your drink there. So yeah, time to open it. These are actually pretty stretchy, so yeah. Here it is. Also, this part is like it's clear, if you can see. Yeah. So yeah. First, it has these two little trays right here. If you look closely, they can fit stuff. Like, they put the milk here. Oh! Hold on, let me grab the milk real quick. Okay, got it. Let me put it in there. Okay. Get onto the side. Can't put it on there. Duh. It's hard to put it on there. Oh, there you go. So yeah, like that. There's the eggs on top, and then the pitcher and the milk. Eggs, pitcher, milk. So yeah, I wish I had shells, like from there and stuff. So yeah. Also, these, if I take the milk, pitcher, and the eggs off, everything's falling! Everything's falling apart! Did the pitcher fall? Okay. Where'd the pitcher go? I don't know where it went. Where'd it go? Everything's falling apart! What do I do? Oh, the pitcher's right here. So yeah, these are removable. See? Ow, they whacked my glasses. Keep it in there. Oh my gosh, what did I just do? Oh, I can fix that. That's easy. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Let me fix that for a second. So, okay, I fixed it. So yeah, you can remove them, as you can see. And then you can put them back. Can't put it back. Oh, there you go. Oh, these stupid doors. Well, they're not stupid. It's just, you know, you know what I mean. I put them back. So yeah, now to this little bottom shelf. You can, like, put it down. I'm surprised it's not like a pull-out, what's it called? I'm forgetting everything today. Oh, a drawer. I'm surprised it wasn't a drawer stuff. But yeah, as again, it's cardboard. So yeah. So yeah, let's test the height. Well, yeah, let's test the height. So I've got my Barbie. Well, actually, I'll put all the little things in the little refrigerator. I'll put all right there. Then I'll put the eggs right there. There you go. So yeah, let's test the height. Oh, it's pretty good. Like, she can open the fridge. What do I want? Yeah, like, I think I'll have some eggs, and I'll grab some milk for some breakfast. Stop eating! Stop looking at me! Stop looking for me! I can't talk! You sick fools! Why are you watching this video? I'm just kidding. JK, just kidding. So yeah. Again, no dolls included. This is my doll. Oh. But yeah. Sorry, I'm really sorry that I haven't been uploading a lot. She's on the refrigerator. She fell. But yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And stay awesome. Bye.